An exclusive provider organization, EPO, is a type of health insurance plan that combines elements of both health maintenance organizations, HMOs, and preferred provider organizations, PPOs. In an EPO, policyholders typically receive coverage for medical services within a specific network of healthcare providers. However, unlike HMOs, EPOs often allow policyholders to see specialists without a referral, offering more flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. EPOs generally provide comprehensive coverage for a range of medical services, including hospital stays, surgeries, preventive care, and prescription drugs. Policyholders benefit from lower out-of-pocket costs when seeking care within the designated network of healthcare providers. These networks are carefully curated to include a wide range of medical professionals, ensuring that policyholders have access to quality healthcare services. One key feature of EPOs is that they do not cover out-of-network care, except in cases of emergency. This means that policyholders must seek medical services within the established network to receive full coverage. While this limitation may be perceived as a drawback in terms of flexibility, it often results in lower overall healthcare costs for policyholders. It's important for individuals considering an EPO to carefully review the network of healthcare providers and assess whether it meets their needs. Additionally, understanding the plan's coverage limitations and rules regarding out-of-network care is crucial to making informed healthcare decisions. In summary, an EPO with health insurance offers a balance between the comprehensive coverage of an HMO and the flexibility of a PPO. It provides cost-effective healthcare solutions within a specific network, while allowing individuals to access specialized services without the need for a referral. Understanding the nuances of EPOs is essential for individuals seeking a health insurance plan that aligns with their healthcare preferences and needs.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.